everybody, thanks for stopping by my YouTube channel. I really appreciate it. My channel is all about basically growing edible plants. So the focus is on fruit trees. So you can see a lot of stuff here about fruit trees, and you're also going to get a lot of information about propagating trees, propagating plants, whether it's from cuttings or from air layering or from seed. This is the place where I will be bringing you that information. Behind me I have lychee trees. These are two nice lychee trees. These are Sweetheart lychee, and on the other side is the Mauritius lychee. These are terrific trees. I've been growing them from small air layers, and if you want to learn about air layers, this is the place to learn. Air layer is a way to propagate a tree and have it producing fruit just like its mother plant, just like the original one that you took the branch from. So anyway, there's so much more to talk about. We've got a little bit going on here with moringa trees. We also talk about the baobab tree on this channel. So listen, thank you for stopping by. Please hit the subscribe button and join us, because we're going to be doing a lot of stuff to help you to grow an edible landscape. Enjoy what you're doing in your backyard. It's a great hobby, and you're always welcome here to leave comments, suggestions, and so on. Thank you once again, and dive right in and check out some of our videos.